So guys, we are entering the beach from here. So this is the main entrance of the beach here right now. So there's quite a lot of people today, and as you can see, so yeah, there's a lot of people here at the moment. And this is the main parking area. Bike parking of course is free over here. If you want, there is also car parking back there. So that is the car parking area. The parking for cars also is free. There is also paid parking if you want for 100 rupees. And this is the beach here. So there is so many people here today. And so Vagator beach is one of the most popular beaches over here. So you can go in from this side also, but let's go in from the main area so I can show you guys the main area of the beach. So we'll go in from here. So there is water sports and everything, as I said, in this place over here. So we'll go and check it out. So guys, on the left side of the beach here, there are lots of shacks. I mean, not lots, but there are quite a few shacks here. So this is one of the biggest shacks here. So this one, there are beach beds here. The beach beds cost 100 rupees over here. This is of course if you want to play and lose your money, then you can go here. So that is something to do. So there are lots of cows over here on the beach. So over there is a place called Pinakin. Pinakin is a very cool trance party. So if you want to go for a really cool trance party, then you can go over there. So it's a lot like Shiva Valley or Curly's in Anjuna. So they have really cool rave parties in the evenings here. You can check their pages on Instagram to see what kind of parties are there. And over here, this beach has a lot of couples, and mostly it is couples today. So it's a lot of couples, and there are of course, so there's some big group of people all wearing the same t-shirts today. I don't know why. So as you can see, the beach is quite big, and they of course have all water sports available here. So we'll go and ask the prices of course. So let me just show you guys around. We'll just look around a bit. So guys, in the distance, that side is the rocks area. So it's a really nice place to click Instagram pictures. So if you want to click Instagram pictures on the rocks, then that is the place to go. So we'll just go that side for a bit and show you guys. And of course, that is the trance party I was telling you guys about in the distance. So they have the trance party there, they have a stage, and also there is another beautiful place which you can go on top that side, which is known as Chronicle, which also, that is in Little Vagator, which is just the other side. So Little Vagator also has some of the nice parties, which is called, as I said, Chronicle. So as you can see, there are lots of people here. These are the rock formations here, and you can click pictures. You can go right up on the rocks in the distance. So yeah guys, so it's pretty cool here in Vagator. So let's just go around further that side. Okay, so we'll walk to the side of the beach. Let me show you what else is there over here. So yeah guys, nice to see so many people out here. Of course, if you get a chance, please wear a mask, and I mean please do wear a mask, because you know, or can keep your social distancing or whatever. And of course, please do not throw your trash here. If you get your beer bottles, I mean, you can't drink on the beach, it's not allowed, but if you get any other bottles like water bottles or anything, please do not throw it over here, which just spoils the look of the beach guys and ruins the place for everybody. So guys, we are going to go to the boating here. So as you can see, the boats are here, and sorry, they're not boats, but they are jet skis and stuff like that. We'll just go and ask the prices. There are quite a few foreigners here, and let me just show you something else. In the distance on top over there is the Shapora Fort. So that's the beautiful Shapora Fort, which is You can see that's if you can see in the distance. I don't know if you can see, but there are a lot of people standing on the fort and clicking pictures. That is a nice place to check out. Also, guys, in the distance, that is the W Hotel, which is the 5-star hotel. It's very, very beautiful, and you get the most incredible view from there. They also have the Spice Traders of W Hotel over here, so there are events happening here as well. So guys, let's just go and ask the prices of the boating over here. So we'll ask the boating prices now, guys. Okay guys, so these are the prices for the jet skis and everything. So the jet ski ride for one person here is 450 rupees. Parasailing is 900, dip included, so the dip is free. Usually people charge you extra for dip over here. So then you have bumper boat, 2 people 500, boat ride 5 people for 1000, banana ride is 1000 rupees for 5 people, and the package is 1800. इसमें कुछ डिस्काउंट रहता है?
इसमें डिस्काउंट नहीं है, रेट है वो फिक्स है।
हाँ,
राइड तुमको बढ़िया मिलेगा।
अच्छा, so 1800 for full package। अच्छा, और कितना टाइम लेता है उसमें?
उसमें आपको पूरा गेम करने के लिए 1 घंटे से 1 घंटा तो लग जाएगा।
अच्छा, for 1 hour, so the package is 1 hour and it is 1800 guys. So that is the price for the water sports. Okay, so thank you. So guys, this is the beautiful Vagator beach, and at the moment it is a little dirty, is because not because of people actually. Of course people also throw a lot of trash here, but they do clean it up. If you see, there are trash bins in the distance. Every morning the company comes and cleans up the whole beach. But what happens is, because the sea is quite rough now, so the trash tends to come up on shore at this point of time in the year here, guys. So guys, over here in the distance is the W Hotel again. So those are the beautiful rooms of the W Hotel, and this is the Vagator beach, guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, now is I'm going to take out the drone and I'm going to show you guys a beautiful picture of this amazing beach here in Goa, guys.
Turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again, tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. DJ turn it up, turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back, DJ turn it up, bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, back. Turn up the bass. Bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back, 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 back. DJ turn it up, bring it back.